Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as my title said, today's presentation is all about a fall shopping haul, home decor. So I'm going to be showing you some things that I bought. I've been trying to get them together because I didn't want to like show one or two things at a time. So this might be my maybe last shopping haul for the season because this is November. So I have some Christmas things mixed up in here because if you're following me on my channel, you'll notice that I am in a Christmas collab with other YouTubers. So I have some things for that too. But if you have never been on this channel before and this is your first time, show me some love by hitting that subscribe bell down there on the right hand side, right underneath your screen on the YouTube channel. You'll see subscribe and a bell. So hit that bell, make sure it's turned on, because then you will get all of the notifications when I upload a new video. So let's go, guys. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to be sharing with you, it comes from Home Goods and it's kind of heavy and I'm loving it and I'm excited to get it in my living room. This particular decor piece comes from the designer Tahari, and if any of you know anything about Tahari, he really puts out some really nice pieces, and I have a few things in my home that is designed by Tahari. So this is one of the things. You know, when you are designing your home, it's good to have big pieces because big pieces really show up and show out. Now, the base here is marble. So there it is. Tahari, and I paid $39.99 for this piece. So this is going in my living room. I have a console table. Maybe it's going to go there. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, the next thing I have, which is Christmas stuff. I got this at Target, the dollar store at Target, or the dollar spot at Target. However, this was not $1, this was $5. So I'm going to be using this to do a DIY. So stay tuned, follow me so that you will see what I do with this. Also, I have some holiday tape, and I paid $1 for this at Target, the dollar spot, and it's in red. There you go. So I'm going to be doing something with that. And I've got all those sparkles on my toes. Next thing, I bought these microfiber cleaning cloths, and I got this from TJMaxx when I saw it, and I saw it was 12 in a pack, and I know how much these cost at Home Depot because I do buy these at Home Depot and I pay much more money for it, and I thought these had a variety of colors that you don't get at Home Depot. So I bought these and it only cost me $5.99 at TJMaxx. So this is lovely. This is very good, and it's good for dusting, it's good for cleaning, and I love it. Oh, the next thing, this is a fun thing, and this is for the summer. I got this at Marshall's, $2.99. These are I guess you could say removable tattoos. I'm not a tattoo lady, but in the summer I do like to put on something that looks real funky. And so look at this. I think this is really, really nice. And you know, when you have a sleeveless dress on, especially if you're going out for an evening date, this really looks cool. Look at that. Yeah, $2.99. Okay, next up, I got this also from Home Goods, and this is a vase. This is going with the piece, the designer piece that I just showed you from Tahari. Well, this is gonna go with this. These two items are gonna go together. And why they really go together, if you notice that piece, the shape of it was round. And I'm gonna show you something with this next piece, the vase. Wow. The lady from Home Goods she really took care of me and wrapped this up really, really wonderful to make sure it didn't get broken. And it also has decor guards at the bottom. So if I was gonna take it and put it on something like something wood or even glass, there wouldn't be any scratches. So I got this vase and it cost me only $14.99 at Home Goods. Now, if you notice, you see a circular pattern going around there. And what I had showed you with the Tahari piece, you saw the circles going around. So that in design is what we call rhythm. You see a repeat of the same pattern. And that's a mystery to people that are looking at a room and they really don't understand, why is this room working? There's a lot of things involved in interior design, and rhythm is one of them, which is a repeat of the same pattern in the same interior. So let me put that to the side and keep it moving. Now this piece here is so nice because I just had my living room repainted. I've gone gray, which is the new neutral, and I'm going to be doing a reveal, so stay tuned, because I also have one where I was doing the paint job, and then the next one will be the reveal. So as soon as I'm ready and get everything all laid out, you will see the reveal. Okay, so I bought this. This came from Burlington. I thought it was so super duper cute. I love little novelty things like this. I thought I would put this, it's probably going to go on maybe, you know, when you make your display and you have books, I thought I would put this on top of the books. This is handcrafted crystal. And this cost me at Burlington $12.99 and says home. So I really thought this was really looking luxuriously elegant. So I'm really happy with this piece. I love this piece. You know, you should love everything you buy. Don't put things in your house that you don't love and that you're not going to be happy with, because when you get your home all set and you get everything together, you're gonna love it. So I'm just going to bring this back up to show you one more time so that you remember the circles. So that was what was in the piece I just showed you. all these bags here, right? Now this piece here, I just bought this last night at Target, and this is, if all of you guys watch HGTV, well, Chip and Joanna Gaines have been gone now about 8 months. They've left HGTV and they're into some new ventures. This is coming from one of their brand, which is Hearth and Hand with Magnolia, and this is 6 feet long, which is artificial garland. And the reason I bought this because I have another one which is a much heavier one than this one. It actually, that was the Martha Stewart brand. So this one, I think I'm going to be using it on my console table to put around the edge for Christmas decoration. So here we go. And it has the berries and all that good stuff. So I like it. I think it was really super, super, super nice and realistic looking. So that was what we got at Target. And last but not least, I got these few little things at Dollar Tree. And the reason I bought them, because as I said to you, I'm in a collab and it's a Christmas collab. So if you follow my channel, which I'll be uploading the end of this week, you'll see what I'm going to do with these things. So this is faux snow. I really like the other type of snow, but they didn't have it. They had this, so I said, oh, I'm going to get it. I needed scotch tape for some of the things I'm doing. I got these little trees. Look at that. $1, guys. And look how it glows. Red, green, blue. So I thought that was really cute. I don't know how I'm going to use it, but $1. So I bought 3 of these. And I have this mirror. Cost me $1, of course, but I'm going to be using this. Hopefully it's going to fit into a frame that I bought, and I need a mirror. So I'm making something, and all the other mirrors are already there, but this was a picture frame, and I'm using it for a mirror to go as a decor piece. So these little guys here, each one, the poinsettias, the berries and the pine cones, all that cost me $1, and this cost me $1 as well at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using it in a DIY. So on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and also look out for my upload the end of this week, which is November 9th. My Christmas, My Style 2018 here on my channel. So until I see you guys next time, take care, be safe, be happy, be blessed. I love you all, guys, and remember, everything that you buy and put in your home, make sure you love it. Take care. Peace out. See you soon.